We're now going to look at another example where we combine like radicals. In this particular expression, we have that the cube root of 8x to the fourth plus the cube root of negative x plus 4 times the cube root of 27x. And we want to simplify this expression. Now, we see that while the indexes of the three radicals are the same, we notice that the radicands are not. Therefore, we cannot, in the current state, do any kind of simplification. So we're going to try and simplify our radicals a little bit. For example, in this first radical, we have the cube root of 8 times x to the fourth. Well, with a little bit of thought, we should see that the cube root of 8 is really the cube root of 2 cubed. I can write x to the fourth as x cubed times x. Plus, I'm going to be a little bit careful here and write this as the cube root of negative 1 times x. Ask yourself, is negative 1 a perfect cube? Well, negative 1 to the third power is negative 1, so the answer is yes. Now in this last expression, I have 4 times the cube root of 27, which I'm going to write as 3 cubed, and then times x. Watch the simplification that takes place here. The cube root of 2 cubed is going to be 2. The cube root of x cubed is going to be x. And then I'm just left with the cube root of x. The cube root of negative 1 is negative 1. So I'm going to write that minus 1 times the cube root of x. And finally here, the cube root of 3 cubed is 3. So I have plus 4 times 3 cube root x. Now this first expression is completely simplified, 2x times the cube root of x. Then I have minus the cube root of x. 4 times 3 is 12, so plus 12 times the cube root of x. The coefficient here on the cube root is 2x. There are no other terms that have a 2x in front, so that we can't do much with currently. However, here I have a coefficient of negative 1, then plus 12. Negative 1 plus 12 is 11, so I have plus 11 times the cube root of x. Now what we'll do is we'll just agree that because I have this common factor cube root of x, I'm going to write this as 2x plus 11 times the cube root of x. In other words, just factor the cube root of x out of the expression.